On today's episode, we are making air fried chicken wings. All right, so I got a pile of wings here. So easiest way I find is if you cut the skin a little bit, you can bend this and you'll actually see right about here where the joint is. There you go. See it pop through, and then you can just cut right through. There's our drumstick. Same thing here with our winglet. There we go. There's our flat. Since we're air frying these and we want them to come out crispy, we need to use some sort of oil. The oil is definitely going to help us, and the oil is actually going to help some of our seasonings stick to it. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to throw some, this is some avocado oil. We're just going to put in, oh, that's probably what, about 2 tablespoons, not a whole lot, just enough to cover and coat these. And then we're going to take, this is some AP seasoning, the Killer Hog stuff. So essentially it's just salt, pepper, and garlic. If you don't have this, it's not a big deal. Just salt, pepper, garlic. We're not going to do a whole lot because we're going to be putting buffalo sauce on top of these. But this is just going to help with another layer of flavor. And the salt can actually help the skin dry out some while it's cooking. So my air fryer is a little different. I don't have a basket. I have these trays so I can do multiple layers. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna lay these on this tray. You do not want them to touch at all because you want the air to be able to get in between to keep every piece of this crispy. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna line these up, and then we're gonna pop them into our air fryer. The air fryer is gonna be at 400 degrees. We're gonna let them go for 10 minutes. We're going to pull them, we're going to flip them, and then they're going to about another 8 minutes. So if cooking time changes, I'll let you know after the fact, but that's what we're going to go in initially with the plan. Air fryer's up to temperature. If you can hear that in the background, apologies. So 400 degrees. 10 minutes first side, take them out, flip them, 8 minutes second side, make sure they're not touching so the air can get all the way around them. While those are cooking, we're going to actually head over to the stove and we're going to make our buffalo sauce. Okay, homemade buffalo sauce. Super simple. If you don't already know how to do it, it is going to be 1 cup of your favorite hot sauce. I like Texas Pete the best. Frank's Red Hot is another option. There's a bunch of other options out there. Along with that, all we're going to do is we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. So 1 cup of hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter. You can add other stuff like Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, but I'm keeping it basic with Texas Pete and butter. That's it. All right, our wing sauce has come to a boil. So we're going to go ahead and pull that off the heat. Let that chill for a little bit. So it has been 10 minutes, and as you can see, we are well on our way to nice golden brown color. So like I said, we are going to flip these, and then they're going to get 8 more minutes. And then they will be ready to coat with sauce, and they'll be ready to eat. So we'll see you in about 8 minutes. Been 8 more minutes since we last saw you, so we're going to go ahead, we're going to pull our chicken wings, and we're going to sauce these things up. Not bad for air fryer. All right, there's the wings. About 20 minutes total to make these. So let's go ahead and we'll see how they taste. Other than being hot. Pulled clean off the bone. Definitely a recipe for game day. So please stay tuned and keep a lookout for those. We'll see you in the next one.